Hey, man. Look. Hey, man, look. I'm letting y'all know what it is right now, man. We're pretty ready to go over here and catch the Fat Mac, man. That nigga over there knocked the fuck out, man.
That man was talking to me, bro.
Hey, hold on. We finna go get him, y'all. We can't be too loud, though. We're walking up on him now, y'all. Look at this nigga, y'all. Mouth wide open. I don't know. I guess my nigga done had a long day, man. You know what I'm saying? Mouth wide open.
He's like this. Oh, yeah, man. Sleep like a motherfucker.
You talking in your sleep, sir?
Oh, man.
You done had a long day today, sir? Huh? You sleep that quick?
Sleep, yes, I mean. No, sir.
The Fat Mac that had a long day today, y'all.
Yeah.
You know where you at right now, sir?
Yeah, fat ass one.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna fuck with you later, Fat Mac. Fuck with me. Give me 5, baby. It's me.
You stop calling me, bitch. I'm with that. I'm calling.
Huh?
That goddamn light.
That bitch bright, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna fuck with you.
Alright.
Alright, bet.